Okay, first thing I want to go over is find the slope of the line with the given points. Okay, let's look at this one. So without the benefit of a graph, we're going to use y minus. Okay, I forgot I'm teaching virtual, so I can't just use my packet. Okay, so you got negative, this is example 1, okay, so -3 with 3, and then 1 with 2. So it's y minus y, x minus x, because that's the rise, that's the run. Because y's go up and down, hence the rise, x's go across, that's the run. Okay, compare x's, well 1's higher than -3, so we send 2 on top, 1 on bottom. Then 3 on top, -3 on bottom. So this can be -1 over 4, and on a multiplication table, those are only in the first row. Okay, so right there, you already have it. Dividing by 1 is kind of silly. Example 2, we have 1 -2 and -2 3. So xy, xy. So y minus y, x minus x. Okay, compare the x's, 1 to -2. Well, we're going to send, that's the starting point, so 1, -2. Then -2, 3. -2 minus 3 is -5. 1 plus 2 is 3. Look on a multiplication table, the 5 and 3 only appear together in the first row. So that's my answer. I don't need to divide. Okay, example 3. We have 1, 3, 4, -1. So 1, 4. So we're sending 4 to the bottom, -1 to the top. Then 1 to the bottom, 3 on top. So -1 minus 3 is -4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Again, 4 and 3 are only in the first row, so it's already simplified. Example 4. We have 2, 1, and 3, -8. So compare your x's. That's your highest, so 3 on bottom, -8 to the top, then 2 on bottom, 1 to the top. So you're going to end up with -9 over 1, and that's in simplest form, because 1 and 9 are only in the first row. Okay, now on the graphs you were sent, find the slope of a line with a graph. So remember, the slope of a graph, it's rise over run. So there's 2 points. Start there, point 1, point 2. Point 1 is furthest on the left. Not the higher one up necessarily, but the first one on the left. So to get from here to here, first I'd have to go down. -1, -2. That's your rise. Then your run, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I think you need to look at 2 and 4 on the chart, because I think they're in the second row together, so we would divide them by 2. That's going to be -1 over 2. Okay, m equals. Okay, next one, rise over run. This is point 1, this is point 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 4, because I went up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 4 9ths. Those are only in the first row, so that would stay 4 over 9. Okay, and the last example, rise over run. That's point 1, that's point 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So positive 6, because I was going up, I count by positives. And the run, I always count by positives. It's 4. Now don't divide that, okay? You look at your multiplication table, you will find 4 and 6 in the second row, so I will divide by 2. So it'd be 3 over 2. Now Now that makes sense because if I go up 3, forward 2, I'm there. Up 3, forward 2, I'm there. Up 3, forward 2, I'm there. Alright, that's it.